Today I want to do an unboxing of the SmallRig RM01 kit. These are some small video lights and video LED lights, but they can also be used for photography. So I want to get started today, and I hope you guys enjoy this video, and if you do, smash that like button, and if you're new to the channel, subscribe for more. All right, here we go. Let's do the unboxing. Okay, so here we have the product right here. I'm just going to see if I can slide this out. It's attached to the strap, so let me just tear this off. Good. And open this up, turn it over. Okay, so we have the box, the kit right here. It's a very sturdy case. I love the quality so far. The zipper is very rugged. I like that so far. So as you open the case, you're introduced with the manual. All right, we're gonna put that to the side. As you open up, you also have your USB-C to USB-A cable right there. I'll put it to the side. So in this case, I was really not expecting to have like this quality with this product so far, and actually getting so much. So with this kit, you actually get 3 lights, and when you open the sides here, it has these barn doors, which I think is pretty cool right there. I think that is pretty cool. So let's go forward a little bit more, and there are 3 in each section right here. Let me flip this over. Once you flip it over, you're introduced to the light stand. This is a hot shoe mount, and you have your diffusion. It's more like a gel, it's very soft. And here you have the actual light. You can see the SmallRig logo right there. Let's turn it around that way. Right there. And on just the bulb right there, and you have the quarter thread mount. On top right here, you can, when you open it up, you have the USB-C connection, so you can charge it. All right, on top you have the button, so once you press it, let's see if there's any power, and there's a light. And there, I think it's either 3 or 4 modes, if I'm not mistaken. That's 1, that's 2, and that's 3, and it goes back to normal. So there are 3 modes, 3 levels of power, and I think for a light like this, that is pretty powerful, especially for details. If I even go and put it on my face right here, as you guys can see, that's very powerful. All right, let me see if there's anything else down there. Like I said, this is the fusion, and it just literally just softens the light. And of course, you know that you're going to lose some stops of light. All right, so if I go, let me just take this out. Let me turn this off for now. Don't blind you guys. All right, let's press and hold, and it's off. Okay, let's put this to the side right there. And then you have this nifty little tripod, which I think is very cute, if I might say so. If you have the light right here, you can screw it on like so, and you have a lever right here where you can just loosen it, and then you're able to move the head left and right. So far I can say that it's not very smooth, but I don't think that's going to be a big deal for me, at least. Let me just tighten it back right here, and when you look at the bottom right here, you have these little feet right here, and I think they can be extended just like so, you know. So I think that's very good. When you put, I'm gonna put that to the side for a moment, and in here you have a little casing right here. All right, let me just open that. Once you open that, you're greeted with the clip. So with this clip now, as you can see, so far it has on the honeycomb grid right here. This is just to help with focusing the beam of light, so it doesn't spill all over. Right here you have your clip-on with these 4 magnets, and if you look at the light itself, you have these little notches on the side, and the clips basically just go right in, right there, and then boom, and it goes on. Let me turn it on again one more time. So you have the light here. So this is with the grid off. See how much the light is spreading, and then once I put it on, there's a little bit more control. And even if I turn it to the side, you can see brightness, and you turn it to the side, you don't really see that beam of light on the edges no more. All right, so that is one way. When you go inside the little case right here, let me just turn it to the side, turn it down. You also have these gels, which I think is a very good additive. You have a diffusion one, and you have the different colors here. All right, let me just take out one, turn this off for a moment. Okay, let me take off this. Once you take it off, it's a little bit tight, which I like, so you know that it's not gonna fall off very easily. So I'm gonna just take it off right here. Good. Okay, so when you open the back, turn it over and get the back right here, you have these little notches on either end, and you can see it coincides with this right here. So all you do is just slide it in like so, and then you clip it on like so. And once you turn it back on again, there you have your green, which I think is very good, you know. And it's you know, if you are a creative person, I'm sure there are many things you can do to kind of like just get some beautiful effects, especially, you know, like I told you guys, I do a lot of details when you're doing like the getting ready stuff, detail photos for the bride or even the groom. So I think this is definitely something that is, you know, pretty nifty to have, and I like the fact that it is very small. So I can just fit this into the side of my bag somewhere, and boom, I'm off to the races. Let's go back to the so this is a snoot, right? And you can literally, let's turn it on again one more time. I can see how well that light is, that beam of light is focused to one ear, which I think is pretty good. Let's try and see if we can do the honeycomb. We'll be able to put on this on there. Oh, that's dope. So it even focuses the light of the beam of light that much more, which I think is pretty good. So, you know, pretty much guys, the possibilities for this little unit is, you know, I would say endless. Let me just take this back off. I'll put this in here. I love the fact that the case, it has a nice case to it. And you know, everything is cut out really nicely, and you know, it's not when we're moving around when you're traveling, which I really do appreciate. So if you guys do enjoy this video, enjoy this unboxing, smash that like button and subscribe to the channel for more. All right, this has been a quick unboxing of the, let me see, SmallRig RM01 kit mini LED video lights. Hope you guys enjoyed. Peace.